Hi guys, you are welcome to another video on how to trade gold, GBP/USD and Euro/USD on the smaller time frames. But before we look at the smaller time frames, we are going to quickly look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'm on gold, and the overall direction of gold on the daily time frame is bullish. Okay, and we have this ascending trend line. The price of gold is already formed a double top. This is the first top, and this is the second top, and price has broken the neckline. These are neckline of the double top, but it appears as if price is recovering to retest the neckline, so you might want to buy just for some time before price starts to descend. That's that on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at what has happened on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the trend is bearish as price registers. This is a high, this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a high, this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So as price registers lower highs and lower lows, it's clearly a bearish trend. But something is happening on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that price is trying to form a bottom. In as much as price tries to form a bottom, let's look at the trend line. You can see that price is already at the the first descending trend line. This is another descending trend line, so we might see a break of this particular trend line to the top, to possibly somewhere around we could see a break to somewhere around 1971. Okay, max to see a break to this point where we have 1989 area. So for now, the price of gold is trying to recover. The bulls are stepping in, and you might want to look for buying opportunities. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see a clearer picture of what is happening. We can see the bulls stepped in, and we have something like a double bottom. We have a double bottom on the 1-hour time frame. This is the first bottom, and this is the second bottom on the 1-hour time frame. And where's the neckline? Where's the neckline of the double bottom? We can say this is the neckline. Okay, so if price breaks the neckline to go up, retest, and then go up. For our price, how long price will go, let's use our Fibonacci retracement to price could retrace from okay, we've seen that price has already gone past. Looking at the retracement from this high to this low, price has already gone past the 38.2% Fibonacci level. So price might target first. Let me look at it. Let's see where price could target. Okay, price might target the 50%, which is the 1965, or price could target 1968, or price could come as far as 1972 before price starts to drop. But for now, look for buying opportunities on gold. On the 30 minutes time frame, just buy for now. Look at the ascending trend line being formed. Okay, and we already have a break of structure. This particular structure is being broken. Look for buying opportunities. Buy for now. You might want to place your stop loss when buying somewhere around here, 1960. Okay, but look for buying opportunities for now. On the 5 minutes time frame, the buyers are in control and they are trying to push price up. On the 1 minute time frame, it's buying, so look for buying opportunities. Your stop loss, you might want to place your stop loss around here, 1961.44. okay. GBP/USD, we can see that price has already formed an evening star. Look at our evening star, and this is a retracement or a reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, and we can see that although the overall trend is bullish, but we have a break of this trend line, which has led to price retracement on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can see that the bears are in control, although we have something like a little recovery around here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame GBP/USD, you can see that price is currently bearish. Although bearish, we have this range here. Our range top is at 1.24166, and the range bottom is at 1.23908. So price is going to range between here and there, and if it breaks to the top, we might see a recovery to up to this point. We're looking at a recovery up to let's look at it. Might see a recovery up to 1.24500 if it's going to recover at all. Now let's look at the 1-hour time frame GBP/USD. You can see price is forming a like a range. It's a range. Price is in a range, but we can see the bulls are trying to push price to the top of the range. If the bulls get successful, if they happen to push price to the top and break the top, we can look at the top, a triple bottom around there that can give the bulls some hope to push price above this, the second bottom, and this the third bottom. So this triple bottom will give the bulls some impetus. So if bulls are going to push price up, we have this other block around here that might serve as resistance to price. But for now, it appears as if the bulls are stepping in. Although we are in a range, we will expect a range breakout, a break above 1.24156 before we jump in onto the short buy. The overall trend on GBP/USD is a bearish trend. On the 30 minutes time frame, let's see, we can see it's an obvious triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. So the bulls are trying to push price up. Price will need to break above 1.24266 and then above 1.24480 for price to recover to an extent. All right, on the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? You can see the triple bottom is more elaborate. Now we are just experiencing a break of this particular structure, the break of this structure. So we are having this a high, this already forming a higher high. So look at the wick of the current candle on the 15 minutes time frame, suggesting that buyers are stepping in. So you might want to join the buyers and buy up to 1.24157 before price recovers up to 1.24264. All right, so the overall trend is still bearish, but the buyers are stepping in. Look at the buyers are stepping in as much as we have triple bottom. This particular side of the bottom is higher than this particular side, and then we can see a break of this particular structure around here. You can see a break of that structure. This structure just been broken. This other block just been broken. Look at been broken. So that's that for GBP/USD on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, is currently the buyers are currently in charge. Look at, buyers are in charge. Buyers are able to break above this high. Look at, and then we have a retest of that high, and buyers are pushing price up. You might want to jump in on a buy and buy GBP/USD as it recovers with gold. Looking at Euro/USD as well, we have Euro/USD on the higher time frame. The trend was initially bullish until we have a break of this trend line and then a retest, and price starts to descend. Okay, price is already at this other block, this support. Price already at this support. Okay, is it going to recover a bit before continuing its downward movement? But this is the daily time frame. We can see some level of recovery on the daily time frame. And what do we have here? We can see the descending trend line. Okay, price might want to recover up to this other block, where we have this other block as our resistance. Price might want to recover up to that point before it continues its downward movement. That point is around the 1 point, let's look at it, 1.08682 area. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We can see like a double bottom. Okay, and price is already breaking the neckline, but we have this resistance somewhere around here. Price might get to this particular point. I'm talking about the 1.08092 area before price starts to dip. But if it's able to break above it, it will get to this other block. This other block around here, talking about this other block, this resistance area. That's the 1 point. It will get to the 1.08394 area. Okay, before it starts to drop. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see like a triple bottom. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, the price of Euro USD. This is the first bottom. This is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom, a triple bottom. That is already, we have the neckline already broken. The neckline has just been broken as the London market is about to open. The neckline of the triple bottom has just been broken. You might want to join the buyers as they step into the market. The sellers have been set, pushing price down, and it look as if we are having a profit booking. Traders are booking profit. I mean, the sellers, the bears, are booking profit on their shorts, on their short trade. So the buyers are using that to recover. And look at price is already going up. So you might want to look into buying Euro USD. Look at, just broken the structure. Okay, structure has just been broken to the top side. You might want to look into buying Euro USD. We have this order block around here that could serve as your take profit. Okay, we have the 1.08125 area. It could serve as your take profit as you buy. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. We can see this double bottom on the 15 minutes time frame, showing that the buyers are already in the market. You might want to join the buyers to buy Euro USD. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. You can see it's obvious that price is recovering, so you might want to jump in on the buy. Okay, 1 minute, it's obvious that price is recovering. You might want to jump in and buy. All right, so that's that for today's analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click subscribe button, smash the like button if you like the video you just saw. Also drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your comment or your questions. Okay, you can click the bell button. There's a bell button below the video for notifications, so that when we release the next video on Monday, you'll be notified. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com or another website of us, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade gold, Gbpusd and Euro USD. Till I come your way on Monday, it's bye for now.